Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic country home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Fantastic country home decor is a cozy and stylish design style that blends elements of vintage, shabby, and rustic country aesthetics. Here is a breakdown of how defines it. Number 1. Vintage elements. Antique or time-worn furniture. Think distressed dressers, weathered oak tables, and iron bed frames. Uses flower market finds, items with character like old clocks, enamel or vintage tints. Use muted color palettes, creams, pastels, faded blues, and soft greens. Number 2. Shabby chic touches. Romantic and feminine vibes with lace, ruffles, and floral fabrics. Use painted furniture, often whitewashed or with a top paint look. Soft textiles like linen curtains and tuft cushions. Number 3. Country home influence. Uses natural materials like wood beams, stone fireplaces, and cotton or burlap fabrics. Use farmhouse details like mason jars, milk jugs, barn doors, and oven baskets. Welcoming warmth, open, light-filled spaces with an inviting lived-in feel. This style is all about creating a home that feels nostalgic, cozy, and full of charm, while still being elegant and thoughtfully put together. Artisan scent influence. Fantastic country decor is fusion, a style that pulls warm English cottage charm, French countryside elegance, American farmhouse practicality. It becomes especially popular through interior design magazines and TV shows that showcased rustic homes with a refined, lived-in elegance. How to use it in your home, living room. Use sleep comfort sofas, distressed coffee tables, and floral throw pillows. Kitchen. Open shelving, vintage dishware, ceramic canisters, and a farmhouse sink. Bedroom. Use iron bed frames, soft lattice, ruffled bedding, and antique dressers. Bathrooms. Use clawfoot tubs, distressed cabinets, and vintage-style pockets. Tips for achieving the look. Mix old and new. Combine heirloom pieces or thrift store finds with modern basics. Keep it cozy. Think warm lighting, layered rugs, and plastic styles. Don't overdo it. The style is charming and crowded, not cluttered. Incorporate nature. Add fresh flowers, potted herbs, or rustic oak decor. Style variations within fantastic country decor. French country chic, elegant and romantic. Features carved furniture, ornate mirrors, and soft linens. Uses muted golds, creams, and dusty blues. Vintage, simpler and more rustic. Barn doors, galvanized metal, plate, or gingham fabrics. Use more neutral and wood-heavy palette. Cottagecore or English country, whimsical and nature-inspired. Mix of floral patterns, teacups, books, and jar flowers. Create cozy nooks and handmade elements. Shabby chic, classic, feminine, soft and pastel heavy. Lots of distress, white furniture, floral fabrics, and decorative accessories. Romantic lighting like candeliers or candles. Common themes and principles. Imperfections is beautiful. Chips, scratches, and wire add charm. Layered history. Rooms often look like they have been lovingly decorated over time. Sentimental touches. Family heirlooms or timepieces make it feel personal. Timeless over trendy. The goal is an enduring style, not following fast fashion. Lifestyle connection. People who gravitate toward this style often enjoy dye projects, finishing furniture, sewing, etc., thrifting and antiquing. A slower, simpler lifestyle. Nature and gardening, entertaining at home, cozy and inviting spaces. Decor ideas to try. Create a feature wall with antique frames, mirrors, or vintage wallpaper. Display your collections like books, teacups, vintage bottles as decor. Use repurposed furniture like an old drawer as a headboard. Mix textures, lace curtains with jute rugs, or velvet pillows on a distressed bench. Add handmade elements like embroidered pillows or mimicry hangings. Design philosophy. Vintage country decor is more than just a look. It is a lifestyle and mindset. Comfort first. Everything should feel soft, warm, and welcoming. Storytelling through a space. Each item often has a history or sentimental value. Sustainable and solo living. Reuse, recycle, upcycle. This style embraces eco-friendly values by giving new life to old things. Emotional atmosphere. The overall vibe is nostalgic, reminiscent of grandma's house, childhood summers, or countryside getaways. Romantic. Use soft lighting, floral fabrics, and cozy corners make it perfect for quiet, intimate living. Grounded in nature, there is often a focus on the outdoors, whether through floral prints, wooden finishes, or fresh flowers. Seasonal styling tips. Spring. Lighten everything soft in floral curtains, pastel cushions, and blooming centerpieces. Use dried lavender, daisies, or eucalyptus threads. Summer. Bring the outdoors in. Fresh cut flowers, herb pots, open windows with flowing linens. Go for vintage picnic baskets, lemonade in mason jars, and linen tablecloths. Atom. Add cozy, warm tone throws, laid blankets, dried white bundles, and candlelight. Decorate with pumpkins, rustic crackers, and amber glass. Winter is incorporate needs, fox fur, and lots of warmth. Lighting lamps, candles, fairy lights use old slates, painters ornaments, and handmade garlands for festive charm. Modern touches you can add smart rustic lighting, vintage style Edison bulbs with modern LED efficiency, neutral base with vintage accents, keep walls and large furniture neutrals, and add flair with decor. Mix in minimalism, clean lines with one or two standout vintage pieces can modernize the look. Historical roots, Victorian influence. Some fantastic pieces like tufted sofas or curved oak come from Victorian or Edwardian style, but are softened with country simplicity. Post-war nostalgia, the 1940s to 1960s household aesthetic inspired floral patterns, enamelware, and pastel kitchens. Rural traditions, influences from English cottages, French provincial homes, and American farmhouses blend to create the overall feel. Furniture styles. These types of furniture are commonly found in fantastic country homes, like slip-covered sofas, white or cream, often linen or cotton, for a relaxed, washable look. Distress artists or china cabinets, painted in soft tones, often used to display heirlooms. Old farmhouse table, often paired with mismatched or painted chairs. Iron or brass plates, classic frames with floral coils or crochet throws, trunks, dressers, and consoles, often repurposed or given a chalk paint makeover. Wall treatments and finishes to set the tone for the entire space. Baseboard to shape lamp adds subtle texture and classic country charm. Use floral or choil wallpaper. Use on an accent wall or in small rooms like powdered bath. Use whitewashed wood, great for ceiling, beams, or furniture to bring in light. Gallery walls, vintage art prints, botanical illustrations, and family photos in mismatched frames. Lighting ideas. Lighting plays a huge role in this cozy, nostalgic aesthetic. Like candelights, use a small crystal candelights in bedrooms or above the dining table. Lantern-style lights hang in entryways or use on porches. Fairy lights and candles, soft, romantic, and ideal for layering mood lighting. How to personalize the style? Make your home one of a kind. Add family heirlooms. Display grandma's china, a vintage photo album, or a quilt. Incorporate DIY project. Painted furniture, handmade pillow covers, or decoupaged trays. Seasonal wreaths and garlands, made from dried flowers, leaves, or even lace. Styling techniques, layering textures, combine smooth linen with chalk, burlap, hard wood with soft lace. Example, a rustic wood bench with a crocheted drawers and velvet pillow. Regional influences. French countryside, think carved oak muted tones and linen fabrics. English cottage, cozy florals, teacups, bookshelves, and lots of cluttered charm. Use Scandinavian farmhouse inspiration, like lighter oats, minimal clutter, and natural light emphasized. American Southern Vintage, gingham, shutters, painted porches, and old-fashioned kitchens. Each region adds its own twist to vintage chic. Painting them can create something uniquely yours. How to keep it fresh, not outdated. Avoid too much clutter. Vintage chic should feel crowded, not chaotic. Balance florals with solids. Not everything has to be patterned. Use florals sparingly for impact. Include greenery, fresh or fox plants. Keep the space lively and natural. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.